Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x square minus y square is 101 and we have to find the value of x square plus y square where x and y both belongs to the positive integer. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm considering this as equation number 1 and as we know that 101 is prime number. So there is only one prime factorization. So x square minus y square is equals to 101. So we can use a very famous identity here. X square minus y square, x plus y, or x minus y is equals to 101. As we already discussed that 101 is a prime number. So when we get this, so only we can break it as 101 times 1. So x and y, now x plus y can be 101 or x minus y can be 1 or x minus y can be 101 or x plus y can be 1. But we are already discussed that x and y both are positive integer. So if we take x minus y as 101, so y will be negative. So we can't take it. So only two cases are arises that x plus y is 101 and x minus y is 1. So now I'm considering this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. So with the help of equation number 2 and 3, so I'm going to add these two equations. So x plus x minus y is equals to 101 plus 1. So we can eliminate the positive and negative y. So 2x is equals to 102 and x is equals to 51. Now I'm going to put the value of x is equals to 51 in any of the equation. Put in equation number 3. So x minus y is equals to 1. 51 minus y is equals to 1. Minus y is equals to 1 minus 51. Minus y is equals to minus 50. So the value of y is 50. So we have two values, x is 51 and y is 50. Now we have to find out the value of x square plus y square. So x is 51, 51 square plus y is 50, 50 square. 51 square is 2601 and 50 square is 2500. When we add both these terms, we get 5101. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.